at Lido Key Beach in Florida.
Our mom and dad just went on a walk all the way down there, and we're waiting for Nana and Papa to come. I want to go in the water, but Taylor doesn't really seem to want to go. But I just want to get some cool GoPro shots for you guys.
I don't care. Hey guys, so we're leaving the hotel room again because we are going down for sunset, and I'm gonna get some sunset pictures, and Taylor's gonna be a nice sister and take some. Maybe. I'm vlogging. VSCO girl, beach day in my life. VSCO girl goes to the water park. OOTD, where everything is from.
Ross, Old Navy, no idea.
Hey guys, also I know that most of my vlogs that I do, they have normally a lot of B-roll just because that's like the style I like to do. And then I noticed that like whenever I watch Luca Whitaker's vlogs, she tends to just have like talking the entire time, and I guess like everyone has like a different preference. So let me know if you guys like having the B-roll as like a lot of the thing. I just like doing a lot of the montages, so that's why I include it, but I will stop doing it if you guys don't like watching it. We're out at the beach right now, and I got some pictures. I'll insert them here if any of them turned out good. But the sky is pink. Wait, what? The sky was just pink 2 minutes ago. That's it. Bye.